How to install iOS 26 theme on Samsung 17. On the home screen, open up Play Store. In Play Store, tap on the search button and then go to the search page and type in OS 26 and use the search button. Next, we tap on this app right here, OS 26 Launcher, and tap on the install button. Once it has finished, tap on the open button to configure. And here, tap on set as default. Tap on the button, then choose OS 26. Here, tap on next, and then tap on start at the top. Choose a wallpaper type, and then tap on the start now button. In here, you can swipe across and see this is the OS 26 theme.